Hey guys, please like, subscribe, and comment, and share.
Good morning, guys. I am going to let out the dogs. It is, well, snowed outside. It's doing a small little break, but yes, it's gonna snow again and ice up again. So here we go, letting out the dogs. Come on, girls. Ready? Let's go. Easy go. Come on. Oh, it's cold, guys. Oh, Maya. Sana, are you making a snow shake? A snow soda? Is your feet cold, Maya? Is your feet cold? Guys, it is cold. Ah, it's not a wet ice. It's a powdery. It's a powdery snow. Oh, got my eye! Got my eye! Oh, that's funny, guys. Man, that snow's cold. Sana, Sana, Sana. Sana! Sana! Gosh, that snow's cold, guys. Ah, no, Sana. Don't jump on me, Sana. Make the doggy. Oh, that's funny. Karen! Oh, Karen! Oh. Alright, let's go back inside. It's cold. It's cold. Go back inside, girls. It's cold. Ah, Rain's getting on the camera. Ah. She's moonwalking on the. Whoop! Yeah! She's like a little armored tank. Someone was all bundled up. Someone was all bundled up. Bundled up. Kiana. Hey. Did you like walking on the snow? Rain got on her face at one point. She went this look. God, it's cold. Is that right? Alright. Ooh. Wow.
Does it show?
Yeah, it shows.
Shadowing. Okay, you see it? Put it on my hand. My hand's darker, it's gonna show better. But you can see them bouncing off my hand.
I can see on the screen too, yeah. There you go. Yep, let me go here and help.
This is what we do to prepare when it's snowing outside. Fill the tub up with water in case the